Are you tired of it being hot as hell outside? Are you ready for the Halloween stores to open up so you can start putting fake blood on everything? Are you very basic and you don't care?
I'm very basic. I don't care.
Well, then this video might be for you.
Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we are going to be doing a fall transformation, okay? Because I'm ready. I have a little bit of makeup on right now. Basically like a I don't want my face to melt off type face. Tinted moisturizer, some brow gel, lip gloss, and that's it, okay? I'm very basic right now. Summer type of deal, okay? I know you guys wanted a tutorial of the look that I did in my last video where I used the Jackie Aina palette. So that's the look that we're gonna be doing today. I'm trying to play pretend right now, okay? And if y'all are ready as well, feel free to watch. We'll get our fall on together. Before I even get into the eye look, I am gonna fix up my brows. If you're here just for the eyes, I'll probably leave like a little timestamp in the descriptions to show you what time that starts. But if you ain't here for the whole vid, then we are not popping off on a full fall look with these brows. First things first, I'm gonna take the shade Ginger, and I'm living for this palette. It definitely gives me fall vibes. Moving right along. These shades are so stunning, like honestly. Very rich shades. We're not doing a whole cut crease, but we are going to use a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. This is what I'd like to consider like a soft cut crease, if that. The shimmer shades in this palette are stunning. Like, Zam is right, okay? Zam. Really though. I'm gonna go in with this slightly lighter shade. Like, look how pretty that just goes on. Before we get any further, the star of the absolute show. This is the most gorgeous freaking shade in the palette. I am shook. It is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up because it looks like a hot mess right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to face. I'm probably looking a little crazy. This is the Huda Beauty Foundation. I've never tried it, but they did just send these to me. They sent me 3 shades. This was the darkest one that they sent. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're gonna see. This is 240 Toasted Coconut. She's a little light. I feel like those are my famous last words recently. I don't know if this foundation oxidizes or anything. That's a little light. I don't know if that's gonna work. Ooh. The colder it gets outside, the more full coverage the foundation gets for some reason. I don't know why that is. It's like we want fuller coverage, more matte. I don't know why. Like, I'm still not like a matte girl, but I'll let it slide in the winter time. This does have a pretty heavy scent to it. I'm not sure if you guys have used this before, but it's a little scenty. That's some pretty good ass coverage, okay? Because I'm concerned that this is gonna be too light, not as if I'm really going anywhere. What skin? I don't know about skin, I just know about foundation at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and set that real quick with my fave. I never thought I'd be saying those words. Fave powder. Oh. If you guys haven't seen my review on the Anastasia foundation and powder, I'll put something somewhere where you can watch it if you'd like. You need to find out about this powder. Get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
Gonna take our handy dandy Fenty bronzer. As much as I love this Fenty bronzer, I really need to go buy a new BH Cosmetics Bronze Babe bronzer. I mean, you guys don't even have to be with me that long to know that that was my ultimate jam. Like, at one point, I think that's all I talked about. Going back to the bottom part of the eye, I need to put something on there because I'm creasing pretty bad right now. I'm not sure why, or if it's because I'm tired, or like I didn't moisturize enough this morning. I'm gonna go ahead and take like a very light shade like this. And I'll put that on the inner corner, try to make the eyes pop a little bit because I am tired right now and I'm trying to look more awake. Suddenly it's 8 a.m. again and I'm refreshed. And I'm gonna go even lighter in the inner corner because we already had those other two shimmer shades. I want it to pop a little bit, so all these shades go really well together.
Oh, trust issues.
Now that YouTube said we can put 5 seconds of music in our videos, oh. Then kind of skipping around here, I'm gonna take this palette for the face just because I think that these slightly deeper blush shades will complement a fall look very well. And I just threw this wig on, it looks so trashy. Like, if you want to see this wig looking good, go to my last video. I show how I apply it, what wig it is, because this is definitely not my real hair. If you're new here, I don't have hair. Barely. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the highlight shade as well. By the way, I don't know if I said it, but this is the Blushing in Bali palette from BH Cosmetics. They make some of my favorite highlights of all time. This is very cute. And before I even go on to lips, I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on. So first things first, just taking this Pat McGrath mascara. She real bougie. And these lashes are called, I don't know, from my bathroom sink. So sorry I couldn't be of more help to you. Ta-da! It's definitely time to move on to lips. You know it's not a fall look without a dark, vampy, plum lip. I'm gonna use the NYX Suede lip pencil in Vintage first. Back in the day, I used to wear black lipstick in the summertime. Like, it was no thing. This summer, I don't know. I haven't really popped off like I've wanted to. For the actual lip shade, I'm gonna use Ladies Night from Huda Beauty.
Down.
It's time. Oh shit. I just threw my room across the room. Can you feel the vibe right now? Even though this look is cute, I think I want to take it up just a notch. I'm gonna put some of these little pearls on my eyes because I just think that'll just make it pop off a little extra. That's very nice. This is also a good way to hide that breakout that's going on my forehead right now. Or attract more attention to it. I'm not really sure which one I'm doing right now. So that is it for the actual makeup tutorial, but I'm gonna go ahead and back you guys up real quick. So back it up, back it up. All right, you guys, so this is our after What do we think? I hope it's giving you like a good vibe and a good feeling because I definitely come alive in the fall time. Just like the weekend. Maybe it's because we're both Aquarius. I don't know. I thought I would make this like the pumpkin spicy makeup tutorial that we did back in the day where I went to go get that pumpkin spice latte and that shit was gross. First of all, you can't even get pumpkin spice anyways, let alone what I want to. So I was like, okay, what kind of fall drinks can I get in the summertime to pop this video off, right? And I realized that what they said would be the best fall drink currently would be a chai tea latte. So I went onto the Starbucks little app thingy. I was taking a look at it. 42 grams of sugar? That is like an extra large McDonald's sweet tea in a tea, like, no. My body cannot. You're not gonna see me do any festive drinking tonight, okay? I'm so sorry. Anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below what your favorite fall activity is. What are you so ready for? Because it's not gonna get cold here for another 2 months. Do not forget to subscribe if you're not already. Go ahead and like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.